Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra. I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and today is very special lecture. Today I am going to talk about the leadership quality of Lord Krishna, the leadership quality of Madhusudan, the leadership quality of Vasudev. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is written by Sri Bhakti Vedanta Srila Mahaprabhupada from ISKCON temple. And I would have to say Srimad Bhagavad Gita is neither religious book nor spiritual book, but in true sense it's pure book of the science and humanity. And I am trying to propagate a humanity on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and trying to morally motivate to those people who are actually frustrated and attempted to commit suicide on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So let's get into the leadership quality of Lord Krishna. 16 kala, 16 kalas of Lord Krishna, 16 qualities of Lord Krishna with which Lord Krishna took a birth. So let's get into the first leadership quality is the well-informed decision makers. Lord Krishna was well-informed decision maker. He was too good in decision making. And if we took into the story of Bhim Jarasangh into the Mahabharata, actually in the story of Jarasangh and Bhim, Jarasangh killed Bhim killed to Jarasangh, and then Bhim killed Jarasangh several times, but miraculously Jarasangh's body recovered each and every time. Means when Bhim slit or bisect Jarasangh's body into two parts, then his body got reunion again and again. So here Bhim tired, and what ought to do he was not able to understand. And then helpless Bhim looked at Krishna, and Krishna was well informed about Jarasangh's birth history, and he simply showed Bhima to following directions. And Lord Krishna took twins, split into the two halves, and then threw it far apart in opposite direction. Then he took one stick and split into the two parts, and one stick from one direction and another stick from opposite direction. Then Jarasangh split his body into the two halves and throwing it far apart, and Jarasangh finally died in this way. Here Krishna could direct Bhim on the right solution to overcome the crisis. Lord Krishna is always direct to all of us how to overcome from the crisis, how to overcome from the mental confusion. Our desire, our expectations are only responsible for our pain, material pain. If something will happen as per our desire, then we will definitely get happiness. If something will not happen as per our desire, then we will get a distress. So it's a social psychology, it's a human psychology, it's a mental concoction, it's a neuropsychological disorder, it's something like neuropsychological assessment. So if you really want to make someone happy, then you have to do according to the desire of the particular person. If you are failed to do so, then particular person will definitely get angry on you. It's something like a dhyaito vishyana punsaha. Here Krishna stated, ध्यायतो विश्यान पुंसः संग सेतु पजायते संगात संजायते कामः कामात् क्रोधो विंजायते क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृति विभ्रमः स्मृति हिंसात् बुद्धि नाशो बुद्धि नाशात् प्रणश्यति. फल की आशा से कामना प्रकट होती है पार्थ, और कामना का स्वभाव है असंतोषी. असंतोष के कारण क्रोध जन्म लेता है पार्थ, क्रोध के कारण मोह जन्म लेता है, और मोह के कारण व्यक्ति आचार और व्यवहार का ज्ञान ही भूल जाता है. ज्ञान के जाने से बुद्धि चली जाती है, अनुचित प्रकार के कार्य होने लगते हैं, और अंत में ऐसे व्यक्ति का पूर्ण रूप से पतन हो जाता है. That person will degraded at the time, person will get a declination from the upper position from the lower to the lower positions. Similarly, leaders need to educate themselves quickly, as things are changing very fast in the volatile and uncertain world. So it's a best leadership quality to how to make a decision in all the circumstances. Circumstances would be there, means you have to pursue the dynamic decision making power, the dynamic discretionary power, dynamic decision making power and dynamic discretionary power. Your discretion will definitely give you a positive result or your negative result. Means your discretionary power will decide what kind of decision you have to take. So this is the best quality. This is the first quality. Let's get into second quality: flexibility and willingness to change and adapt. Means I have to be flexible. I have to accept whatever change has happened. I have to get ready myself. I have to prepare myself. Whatever dynamic change will come across with me, I will have to accept. Sri Krishna said to at the several names, one such a name that he has been given a Ranchod. Lord Krishna escaped from the battlefield. That's why he is known as a Ranchod, the person who has left the battlefield out of fear. That is called Ranchod, and which is derived from the two different words. Run means war, and Chod means the person who has left. And hence the meaning Ranchod is one who run away from the battlefield. Lord Krishna is also known as a Ranchod, and the meaning of the Ranchod is who have run away from the battlefield. Now, why did we evade the war? Simple. It was a clear strategy from Lord Krishna. He wanted to avoid the destruction, loss of the people's lives, wealth and economy, and arise as a consequences of the war. Lord Krishna was flexible to shift his capital from the Mathura to Dwarka, and simply to avoid the war with Jarasandha. And now show the importance of having a flexibility. Everything that we do demonstrated is opulence and also renunciation. Means sometimes we have to leave whatever. Sometimes we have to leave our birthplace. Sometimes we have to leave that particular things, particular person who are actually which is very dear to all of us and who are very dear to all of us. Sometimes we have to be flexible. We have to adapt. We have to adapt ourselves with the changes. Similarly, in the crisis situation, the leader must show the quality of flexibility, willingness to change and adapt. So this is the second quality. Let's get into the third quality: motivational skill. The leader as a motivator. Lord Krishna, actually I would have to say the word first motivator, speaker was Lord Krishna. He gave Srimad Bhagavad Gita. He preached Srimad Bhagavad Gita. He gave a motivational speech to Arjuna, and by which Arjuna got freed from all kind of material concoction, material pain. And Arjuna stated, Madhav, I am unable to fight this war. Madhav, please show me the right direction. Lord Krishna started, Hatva praptasya swargam. Here Lord Krishna stated, Hatva praptasya swargam jitva bhokshasyami mahima tasmad uttishta kaunteya yuddham kuru nishaya. Means Hatva praptasya swargam path. Hatva praptasya swargam jitva bhokshasyami mahima tasmad uttishta kaunteya yuddham kuru nishaya. Path. If you get defeated in this particular war, then you will get a heavenly planet. If you die, then you will get a heavenly planet of Indra. If you conquer this battlefield, then you will have a heavenly planet of Kauravas, heavenly kingdom of Kauravas. So that's why you don't have to get any kind of distress, and you have to get up and fight this battlefield. Lord Krishna further stated, क्लेभ्यम अस्मगम पार्थान तत्वयुपपद्यते शूद्रम हृदय दौर्बल्य तत्व उत्तिष्ठ परंतप पार्थ है परंतप अर्जुन उठो युद्ध करो पार्थ क्लेभ्यम अस्मगम पार्थान तत्वयुपपद्यते नपुंसकता तुम्हें शोभा नहीं देती पार्थ एक नपुंसक की तरह तुम युद्ध छोड़ रहे हो युद्ध करना ही तुम्हारा कर्तव्य पार्थ यू हैव टू फाइट अगेंस्ट इविल whether your family member or anybody's, you have to fight the battlefield. You don't have to think whether your opponent is your family member or your beloved person. But for dharma, for the welfare of the society, for the welfare of the people, you don't have to surrender. You have to fight this particular battlefield. You have to fight. You have to raise the war against the particular people who are actually on the irreligious path. Lord Krishna here stated, and after listening of entire Srimad Bhagavad Gita, after got understood of entire Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna stated, Nashta moho smuti labdha tat prasadam Krishna stita samgata sandeha karishya vachanam tava Titasam gata sandeha karishya vachanam tava. Now I become your disciple and I will follow of your each and every direction, of your each and every instruction. So please direct me because now I become your disciple. नष्ट मोह, जो मेरा मोह नष्ट हो गया था, वो मतलब मेरा मोह नष्ट हो गया है. नष्ट मोह स्मृति लब्धा, जो मेरी स्मृति चली गई थी वापस आ गई है. आई हैव रीगेन माई मेमोरीज. स्मृति लब्धा तत्प्रसादम कृष्ण. इट हैज ओनली हैपेंड बिकॉज ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा वासुदेव, योर सुप्रीम मर्सी. इट हैज ओनली हैपेंड बिकॉज ऑफ यू वासुदेव. नष्ट मोह स्मृति लब्धा तत्प्रसादम कृष्णा स्थित संगत संदेह करिष्य वचनम तवा. The great leader must be able to clear all self-doubt from the mind and his follower, from the mind of his follower, uphold dharma, what is right, and any situation in this way can motivate the follower to perform the niskam karma. Niskam karma, there are sakam karma and niskam karma. The karma with expectation, that is called sakam karma. The karma without any expectation or selflessness, that is only called niskam karma. So this is the third quality. Let's get into fourth quality, goal orientation. The goal is a goal of your life. Lord Krishna here stated, yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata अभ्युक्तानम धर्मस्य तदात्मानो सुजाम्य परित्रणाय साधुना विनाशाय दुष्कृतता धर्म संस्थापना अर्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. परित्रणाय साधुना विनाशाय दुष्कृतता धर्म संस्थापना अर्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. संभवामि, Vasudev Krishna here stated the goal of the objective of his birth. The goal of his birth is to secure, to protect the divine people. Paritranaya sadhuna vinasayata duskritata, destruction of the inhalation of the evil people or destruction of the evil people. Paritranaya sadhuna vinasayata duskritata dharma sanstapana arthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Here Krishna stated, Paritranaya sadhuna, deliver the piousness, welfare for the good. Vinasaya cha duskritata, annihilation the miscreants, destroy the evil. Dharma sanstapana arthaya, re-establish on the good principle. The goal of the life was clear to Krishna. That's why he could completely focus on it. So leader has a fix. Leader has clear the goal of his life. The objective of his objective of his organization or institute or nation. If you are having a proper goal or particular goal, then you can execute your any function or any work. The entire story of Mahabharata is based on several crises. Its effective management. Pandavas and Kauravas had soldiers in an uneven ratio, 7:11, and this clearly reflects that entire battle crisis was won with effectively strategies. And the today's crisis situation, there is no ready-made playbook available for the leader. No ready-made playbook available for the leaders, showing what to do in the situation when we took into the Hindu mythology, when Lord Krishna is considered to be one of the biggest leader of all time. We can learn the traits, competencies, quality and behavior displayed by him. A quick list of such following qualities. The qualities of the leaders, quick list of following qualities. The first quality is friendly approach to all. You have to always behave friendly with all people. You have to show your love and compassion to the people. Accessible to all. You have to available for all. You don't have to make any kind of discrimination. You don't have to be partial. You don't have to be biased. Listening to our inner voice. You have to listen your inner voice, inner strength. The perseverance, long-term goal. You have to fix your long-term goal. Sharing the learning, whatever you have learned, you have to share to the people. If I know Bhagavad Gita, then I have to teach Bhagavad Gita to other people. Timely communications. One open and timely communications. You have to one time open and timely communications. Means if the particular person who is in distress, you have to take action. You have to communicate the particular person in order to bring that particular person out from the depression. and grit and determination, curiosity, self-control, positivism and optimism, sense of gratitude, sense of the gratitude. Always you have a sense of gratitude. It's another quality of leader. Resilience, social intelligence, agility and adaptability, compassion. And compassion at the time of the crisis is a very important manifestation of the leadership. At the time of the crisis, you have to show the compassion. You have to aggregate the people. You have to make a union of the people and make these all people understand this crisis will no longer, it will definitely end. So you have to show the compassion. If something disastrous things happen, you have to show the compassion on the other people. You have to take a responsibility, you have to take accountability. Calmness and confidence, this is another quality. Motivating and coaching and counseling, these all are the quality of Lord Krishna. Means there's all qualities which are actually of Lord Krishna, but we all have to perceive. Lord Krishna further stated in verse number 3, verse number 21, chapter number 3. Here Krishna stated, here Krishna, Lord Krishna, Vasudeva, Madhusudana, Mukunda here stated, yada yada acharti shrestha tada tada ivarto janah, yada yada acharti shrestha tada tada ivarto janah, so yata pramanam kuru lokasya tada anuvartate. Hey Vasudev, hey Krishna, hey Arjuna, hey Parantap Arjun, yada yada acharti shrestha tada tada ivarto janah, so yata pramanam kuru lokasya tada anuvartate. Means whatever action a great man perform, listen it very carefully. So this is another, this is a best quality which is mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Yada yada achati shrestha tada tada ivarto janah, so ita pramanam kuru lokasya tada anuvartate. Here Krishna stated, whatever action a great man perform, common men follow, and whatever standard he set by exemplary act, entire world will pursue. Here Lord Krishna stated, whatever action a great man perform, common men follow on his footstep. Whatever action a leader execute or perform, common men follow. His follower will follow on his footstep. And whatever standard or leader set by an exemplary act, entire world will pursue. Other people will pursue. Other people will follow on his footstep. People in a general way require a leader who can teach the public by practical behavior. Who can teach the public by practical behavior. A leader can't teach the people to stop the smoking if he himself smokes. Listen it very carefully. If I'm not performing my duty very well, then I don't have to ask the people to perform your duty perfectly or very well. So this is Lord Krishna stated. Lord Krishna is stated, leader can't teach. Listen it very carefully. Leader can't teach the public to stop smoking if he himself smokes. If he himself smokes. So this is another quality of leaders. So if the entire means practice before preach, here leader has to practice before preach to other, before teach to other. So this is the quality of leader. I hope you all can understand from Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna taught all of us many things. So we all have to understand the excellence of Lord Krishna. I would bow my head to the excellence of my beloved Lord Krishna. His greatness, His supremacy, His superior quality. I would have to bow my head before Lord Krishna at a billion times, at a trillion times. So because nothing means Lord Krishna is very dear to me, and there is no one important for me than Lord Krishna in my life. Lord Krishna is very important, and I have totally surrendered to my Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna will definitely show me a right path, and Lord Krishna show to all of us a right path and right direction, because the meaning of the Krishna is showing the right path, something energy. The Krishna means the darkness or the dark or kala. So the actual when we elaborate, here the meaning of Lord Krishna is the particular energy which bring you out from the darkness, which bring you out from the darkness and lead you toward the light path, or which bring you or which lead you to the right direction. So this is called Lord Krishna. I hope you all can understand. For having any questions, any doubt, then kindly please put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.